If you recorded a slow motion video and now you want to edit it on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to go to Gallery, then find and open your slow motion video. And now what you can do is tap on this pen icon at the bottom. Now over here, we will have the slow motion sections, so parts of the video where the slow motion is applied. And we can just, as you can see, drag it to the left and to the right in order to apply where the slow motion should be. We can press this play button in order to see how it looks like. So for example, if we play over here, as you can see, this slow motion applies only for this part. Let's maybe cut it a little bit to this part. And then there is the normal speed, and then once again, slow motion applied. You can also tap on the section in order to remove it, or to slow it down even further. So as you can see, we can extend the slowdown even more. And let's see how it looks like. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!